We Are Growth released their 2021 predictions and trends post, where I was able to contribute my part to this post along with many other experts. And in this video, I'll share with you and go over with you with all the expert tips and trends and predictions, of course, for 2021. So make sure that you watch the entire video so you can get the most out of this video and help you prepare better for 2021. Now, before we are getting into the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click the bell, so for every new video that I release, you can get yourself notified and update, and leave a comment, I subscribed, so I can personally reply to your comments. And let's start with the video and predictions for 2021. Okay, so this is the Amazon predictions and trends for 2021 by industry experts. So I'll read the first part. We'll skip the first part so we can go right to the experts' predictions and trends. And let's start with Danny Carlson. And let's see what he wrote here. Amazon advertisement turns in 2021 PPC, sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display. Amazon has already become a pay-to-play platform. We all know that. We must master this skill. It doesn't matter if it's 2021 or 2020. This is a big tool for you to rank, to get more sales and get exposure to your product. So we really have to pay attention, and it looks like he is really putting emphasis on the improvements in the platform, which we had a great improvement in 2020. So Amazon Ads is evolving at a super fast rate, like I said, and while the platform is still very basic compared to Facebook or Google Ads, it's slowly becoming comparably sophisticated. In 2021, I predict Amazon will be releasing new features at even faster rate, comments Danny Carlson, and Amazon XBX says, based on what you're going to hearing from our Amazon Ads representative, there are many different initiatives in the works that will bring Amazon Ads platform closer to the complexity of Facebook, with increased ability to use images, headlines, and off Amazon targeting to differentiate your ads. Because most of the platform up to this point has remained very simple, brands don't need to dedicate high-performing team members and lots of hours to compete, driving CPC up for everyone. But the complex it becomes. So yeah, basically the more and more updates, and we see it I would say in the last 2 years, the more and more updates and features that Amazon are releasing in their PPC platform, the more complex it will become, and the more agencies that will pop up, show up, and the more experts that you will have that will support this. I personally think that it really depends on what your size of the business, whether you should outsource this or not. It's a different topic. But let's move on to Lazar Zepinik. Similar thoughts come from Lazar Zepinik, who has been working on PPC for over a decade. Today founder. 2021, Amazon will focus more on improving its ad platform. So he mentioned the same. Now we have Liran Hershkon. I interviewed here in the channel, so if you want to go over the PPC video and interview that we did, you can go and watch it. He's a true expert, and I don't know him personally. So what he's saying, he's really talking about Amazon attribution will get better and easier to work with. Right now, I made a video about it, but it's still funky, it's still glitchy, so maybe wait a little bit. Amazon DSP advertisement. So that's the display. Liran continues with DSP will have an API. What was previously reversed for bigger brands will now be more accessible at lower commitments to smaller private brands. So in order to get to DSP, you need to spend at least $15,000 a month, I think. But let's see what our next expert is saying. Brent Zardinik. So he's talking about that Amazon shifts the focus of their sales team heavily to DSP and tries to get larger PL businesses and other 3PL sellers to give it a shot. So it sounds like a good opportunity and chance to explore this year with DSP. New category ads and placements, sending anything possible on Amazon Web. So Will Chernland So he is predicting that would Amazon ecosystem examples would be a monthly workout plan for people who bought weights, or car insurance ads to people who search for tire repair kits. So I don't know how it's really relevant to us, maybe for service providers and all of that. Ranking products on Amazon 2021. Now we have Brian Johnson, CTIO at Canopy Management. So he's saying that what it means for me, this will be your competitive seller shifts from algorithm focused to customer focused. If you watch my videos and my channel, I always say focus on customer, be less focused on algorithm and tactics and hacks and tricks and tips. Just make a great product. This will really change the game here. Let's see what external traffic they're saying. So being an Amazon paid ad traffic, external traffic, Amazon social media, we've seen in detail how the new app TikTok can help you boost brand visibility on Amazon and generate huge sales in a very short amount. There is a big post about it. What else is Amazon sellers, according to Andy Lee, who has been selling online for over a decade. Live selling. Amazon had always been trying to copy that Taobu is doing, and this is one big shift toward 2021. In 2019 and 20, we see more and more medium big brands. So yeah, Amazon Live is getting more and more exposure by Amazon, and it's something that you should definitely explore. I'm going to explore it and put more emphasis on this this year. Why TikTok is the platform to 2021? So this is something that I'm currently testing, and I will come up with the results and videos about it very soon. So I'm not gonna really reveal anything here. But you're more than welcome to check it out. New features and branding tools for Amazon sellers. So Liran Hershkon again said that focusing on storefront design, conversion optimization standpoint, and using that to cross-sell and get a higher average order value as consumers browse for related products within your stores. That's really a good point. Now we have Amy Wiz, which I had I was guest in our Facebook Live on Thursday. You can go and watch that video. It's live on our YouTube channel from Amazing at Home. And she said about Amazon live streams are now featured on the main menu of its popular Fire TV devices, as well as the homepage and product pages. So she really explained more about Amazon Live and the importance of it. Getting to page 1 looks different in 2021. To compete, you'll need to brand register, create an incredible storefront showcasing your products and brand message, and carry that same look and feel in your A+ content. So she also talked about this as well. So it's the second person that really show about this. More creative assets available for Amazon sellers. So Anthony Corfanzasco from PickFu. And he predicts as well more testing tools within the Seller Central and better creative. So that's very good for us. It predicts. So I don't know if you noticed, I can make video about this, but Amazon provides a A/B tool testing for A+ content, titles, description, something that before you couldn't really do without external tools. So Anthony from PickFu, which is a tool to A/B testing or multiple variations testing your photos or titles or whatever with their audience, is a tool to really determine whether it's good or not. He predicts that Amazon will implement more testing abilities in their platform. And here I am. So let's see what Lazar says. Again, updates communication policy. So this is something that was known about the reviews. And let me share my part here about inventory and logistics. So Tommy David, 7-figure seller and owner at Sourcing Monsters. So that's what I wrote. The past year was very challenging to all Amazon sellers. No one expected that Amazon will force such restrictions and have such delays, especially after the first COVID-19 wave, which means that in 2021 we will still have uncertainty, and every Amazon seller or brand should be prepared to any scenario. Having your own warehouse is the best option in my opinion for better control and efficiency, but even 3PL with stock ready to be shipped as FBM or sent to FBA is necessary. It's also forcing us to be much more organized and prepared as far as forecasting, supply chain efficiency and inventory management, and take it to the next level in order to be competitive. So if before logistics or in inventory was part that was kind of neglected this year from me and from many other sellers. It's forcing us, in order to stay in stock and get all these sales, to really be on top of it, dedicated enough resources to like enough inventory and managing your logistics in efficient way. Let's go here to Amazon Black Hat in 2021. So I will not read it because I don't like talking about Amazon Black Hat in 2021. But let's see how Walmart is already catching up with Amazon. Michelle Principi, experienced Amazon seller. Walmart has been tremendous growth in 2020. There is no reason to think the trend. So I was, making videos about Walmart, and I also recommend 100% to make sure that you list your items, your listings, and you pay more attention to Walmart. The time for you is now to grow, and the earlier that you will get to this platform, the Walmart, the better rankings and history that you will have with the platform, the better for you. So make sure that you put a lot of emphasis on this. New marketplaces to look at: Netherlands and some Poland and some other if you expand to Europe. Amazon will increase foothold in Asia. Okay, there will be a huge market. So here Amazon will sell more in Asia. Okay, point number 11, Amazon will increase foothold in Asia. Amazon, so basically they will have more sales there. Now we have Nate Ginsburg. There will be a huge market to sell Amazon. So this is big part prediction for those of you interested in selling your business. There is a lot of money right now with private equities and banks and money that needs to be spent. And you see it more and more. I'm getting emails more and more every day about, like more frequently, about if I'm interested to sell my business, my brand, or some of the listings. So if you're in, if you think about it, or even if you don't, make sure that you prepare yourself to sell. And I do have a video about it, how to prepare yourself for selling your business, what you need to take in mind, and all of that. Increased demand for mid-sized businesses. So that's really the post by Davide Nicolecci. We will have an interview and he will be a guest in our channel very soon. Someone that is really an expert in rankings and PPC and everything, and he is part of We Are Growth Hack. So thank you for watching this video. I'm sure that you can take even one or two things this year from these predictions and really strategically plan your year and your all quarters here, and you really take it to the next level. So thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.